it is Shannon with Main Street and Beyond Travel Company, and today I am here to do another resort review video for you all. You guys love these videos. You said keep them coming. The most requested video that was next was All-Star Movies, so that is where we're at. And we got here, it's about noon. Our room is already ready, so right away we're going to start us off with a room tour. If you are new here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the Disney news, Disney food review videos that we do, resorts, we go to the parks and do park vlogs, everything like that. Be sure to like and comment, but let's check out our preferred room here at the All-Star Movies. I'm gonna go ahead and hit unlock room here. I think I'm holding it wrong. There we go. There we go. In we go. All right, I'm just going to stand at the door here and just kind of pan over the room. It looks very, very similar to the Pop Century rooms, if you guys have seen that video. These are really nice because they are brand like newly refurbished, which is awesome. This resort reopened in late March to these brand new refurbed rooms. So we'll start over here on the right. You do have a nice little coffee station here with an ice bucket and a fridge. Please note, there are no microwaves in here. You can request a microwave to be put into your room, but they are on a first come first serve basis, so I wouldn't necessarily rely on one of those just in case you don't get it. When you check in, you do have the resort TV up, which I absolutely love. This is going to give you the park hours, current temperature, resort activities, times of everything. It's great. You do have a very large counter here, which is awesome. Plenty of USB plugs as well as regular plugs here, which is great. They do show you that they're doing the enhanced cleaning right now. This is really cool. This just gives you a big overview of everything Disney. Got the remote for the TV here. Like I said, just tons and tons of storage everywhere, an extra pillow if you need it. Inside, you do have a safe, which is awesome. And then if you guys are here for a while, you want to unpack your stuff. Plenty and plenty of drawer space. I do want to point out, I really like this little empty area here. It's a great place to store luggages. Really easy to just pile up the luggage there from you and the kids. Let's turn around here. We have our first double bed. Absolutely adorable with the Minnie, Mickey, and Donald painting up here, which is super cute. And it's nicely made. I personally love these trundle beds that they have here. So this is actually a bed by night and a table by day if you would like that, or you can just leave the bed pulled down, but it does make this feel so much bigger. It makes the space feel so much bigger. And these are really, really comfortable beds. I have a lot of people who are very hesitant on getting rooms with these because this is how they are at the Pop Century too. And honestly, a lot of the Disney resorts are refurbing their rooms to have these, but they're so nice. Like, we absolutely love them. I was talking to my mom about that before we got here, and she agrees. She said she slept completely fine when she was on these here. And it gives us room to, you know, eat dinner, do any games, stuff like that on this table here. We are going to go ahead and move into the bathroom. They do have one of these just sliding barnhouse style doors here. Plenty of more storage here in the bathroom. Do have an ironing board if you should need it. Whole wardrobe here with more storage that you can use for stuff. You can even put, you know, kids' clothes down here if they need it. You do have a blow dryer, extra toilet paper, tissue paper, your iron right there. Good size sink area. You do get your H2O facial soap, which is really nice. Do have one of these pull-out mirrors, which is great if you need to use that while you're getting ready in the morning. And then I love at Disney, all the resorts, you know, your toilet area is separate from your sink area, so multiple people can be getting ready in the morning, which I think is just great. This is really big, actually. This is a really decent size. Let's take a peek inside the shower here. You've got more of your H2O products here. You've got your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, so you guys don't need to worry about bringing anything like that. Very nice. I love it. I love this room. You do have towels here. If you should need them, you can always contact Disney Guest Services or the concierge here at the hotel in order to get more. But yeah, this is awesome. This is perfect room for a family of 4 coming to the theme parks. I do want to note the max number of people that can be in one of these rooms is 4, so you can sleep 2 adults here, 2 adults here, or any children. So family of 5 could not stay here unless that 5th one is an infant, then you can fit in here. But Disney will not allow any more than 4 in one of these rooms, but they are absolutely adorable. And I want to show you guys here this bed now, so I'm going to pull that down. All right, I'm going to show you guys this travel bed now. Let's pull it down. I think I've got it set up good. All right, I'm going to slide the chairs out of the way. These are always super easy to pull down. And that's all it is. Simple as that. And look at how adorable. I love the travel beds. Always show you some more characters, which is super cute. So you can see here, they've got the little Huey, Dewey, and Louie up there. They're so adorable. This is comfy. All right, let's go tour the outside of this resort. All right, before we head out to tour the resort, I just, like always, like to show you guys this map here that they gave us. So we are in the Toy Story section. We did get a preferred room. Now, preferred rooms at the All-Star Movies, well, at any resort, are going to be close to the main lobby as well as the buses here. As we head this way, you've got your first main pool, Fantasia section, Love Bug. Then we go to the right as we're heading out of here instead of the left like we are in Toy Story. And you're going to run into the 101 Dalmatians section and the Mighty Ducks section with another pool. So I'm really excited. Let's head out and do our All-Star Movies resort tour. Before we head out, I just want to show you guys my super adorable shirt. This is from Childless Millennial Pretzel Company. I'll put them up on the screen here. It says All-Star Movies Resort. They actually have a whole resort t-shirt collection, which is absolutely awesome in case you want to showcase or make memories with your resort here on your shirt. I will put a link to them in the description below, and you can use my code Shannon10 for 10% off your t-shirt. All right, well, welcome everyone to the Toy Story section of All-Star Movies. I specifically requested this section because if you guys follow me on anything or watch my other videos, you know I'm absolutely obsessed with all things Toy Story. There's a humongous Buzz Lightyear here. There's a To Infinity and Beyond poster to take your picture with. Obviously, you can see Rex behind me, and then also a giant Woody. So this is a great place to come take your kids for pictures. Even if you aren't staying in this section of the resort, you can come over here and take pictures. Of course, this whole resort is yours. You can go explore as much as you want. We're gonna head over to the main lobby in order to get to the other sections of the resort. I'm gonna time the walk for you guys, and I'll see you over there. All right, we are currently leaving the Toy Story section. Like always, I like to show you guys the walking times. So we are walking up to the main lobby, which is of course where you would get any food if you're hungry. You would also catch the buses from the front of there, so that is where we are headed. And I'm timing it for you guys. I want to show you guys over here, there's actually a playground on our way out of the Toy Story section. And then right over here is our main building. So we've only been walking maybe 20 seconds and we've gotten over here. So I would say from the Toy Story section to the main lobby of the resort is about 1 minute. Not bad at all. Again, that is a preferred room that we booked. Preferred rooms are going to be closer. All right, we came across Silver Screen Spirits here, the pool bar. And over here is the main Fantasia pool, which we're going to spend some time at later, so we will show you guys. But it is right outside the lobby. Like, here's where you go into the lobby. So very close. You can see over here is the Fantasia section. So if you guys can see these buildings over here that I'm pointing out, those are also preferred rooms. So you can request over here if you would like. We requested Toy Story because I love Toy Story, but feel free to request a certain building if you like. We are gonna go head out and check out the Love Bug section. gonna go ahead and time how long it takes to get there from the main lobby. We're kind of more in the back of the Fantasia section now. We're on the back side of the pool, almost to the Love Bug section here. And you can see all the fun Fantasia buildings. All right, we have made it back to the Love Bug section. Walking time was only about 1.5 minutes. Not too bad at all. And this is super cute. You've got the Love Bug over there. So yeah, these rooms are not bad of a walk either back on this end. Looks pretty nice. There is no pool back this way, so you do have to use the main pool. Looks pretty awesome. All right, as we are walking back toward the main lobby to go check out the final 2 sections of this resort, I do want to say this is the most budget-friendly resort. If you're looking for your cheapest option to come to Walt Disney World, this is it. In the off-season, this hotel can only run about $100 per night. During peak season, it goes up to about $220 per night. So not too bad for a family to come here to Disney and be able to stay on property. The thing that makes this the most budget-friendly versus the other 2 value resorts of Pop Century and Art of Animation is this resort relies primarily on the Disney bus system to get somewhere, and you don't have the option of the Skyliner. All right, so there is the main building again that we were by when we went through the Fantasia section. Now we are going to head over here into the 101 Dalmatians section. All right, I do want to mention from the lobby to the 101 Dalmatians section was, again, only maybe like a 30-second walk, so not too bad at all. All right, we are heading into our final section of this resort, and I see it coming up. Again, only maybe a couple minute walk, and it is the Mighty Ducks, which also has another pool, which may be a little less crowded than the main pool, so this may be where we come to swim later. This is the Mighty Duck pool here. You can see the hockey sticks, their masks. Looks pretty awesome. All right, I do just want to mention that although all of these different areas are themed to different things like 101 Dalmatians, Mighty Ducks, Fantasia, they do all have the same like room on the inside. So that's not gonna change, but you can, again, request which section you'd like to be in. All right, inside the main lobby here is Donald's Double Feature, which is their gift shop. So if you guys need to know for that, where that is, you can also down here see the world premiere food court, which we're gonna eat at later, so I'll show you guys that. And then here is the check-in area. All right, we are ready for dinner now here at the All-Star Movies, and I want to show you guys again how to place a mobile food order. You're just gonna hit that plus button in the middle, select order food, and right away it comes up. World Premiere Food Court is the food court here at All-Star Movies. You can go to lunch and dinner, see their full menu here. We're gonna go ahead and look over it and place our menu or place our order, and then I'll show you guys how to check out and how to go pick it up. All right, now that we are all done here and picked out our order, you can scroll all the way to the bottom. Just click review order summary here, and then you can click check out. All right, we made it inside to the World Premiere Food Court. You can see though, they are still preparing our order, so we'll wait for our food to be ready. All right, we are heading to pick up number 3. Let's go get our food. There you go. Thank you. All right, you guys can see we got the full spread here to try for you guys. I got the turkey sandwich, sounded super good, some Caesar salad, I got a side of mac and cheese, we got chicken tenders, and then of course our favorites, the Disney cupcakes I will try later for you guys, but let's dig in. Wow, this is a humongous turkey sandwich. It looks incredible. That has a lot of turkey. I'll show you the side view here. Especially after a long park day, this is a very cold item, so it's really good. Wow, I like that a lot. All right, another thing I got as a side was this Caesar salad. Super easy to like close back up and shake up, so I'm excited to eat that. We got fries, chicken strips. I also got a little side of mac and cheese, because why not? I figured I'd try it for you guys. Disney mac and cheese is always really good. All right, I am ready to eat my cookies and cream cupcake here. That looks really good. This is the same one I got at another resort. I can't remember if it was Pop Century or Art of Animation, but I'm pretty sure it was Art of Animation. But this looks really good. And then we did also get another cupcake, which I'll show you in just a second. All right, and this cupcake is super cute. It's a special Mother's Day cupcake. So if you're at Disney, they're gonna have a lot of special treats for whatever holiday is around that time. So this is their Mother's Day cupcake. It's got like a strawberry buttercream with like a vanilla cake with like marshmallow frosting in the middle. So we'll give you our reviews. All right, I have my first bite here ready to go. It's super cute. I don't know if the camera catches it, but there's like edible glitter on the cupcake, so. Just as good as last time. I really like this. It's not overly chocolatey, which I like.
This is the Mother's Day cupcake. This is chocolate. Really good. And the frosting has glitter on it. And it tastes like strawberry frosting.
Oh no, really? Wouldn't expect that.
Why? It's the strawberry
Review how it
cupcake.
tastes. Moist, fluffy, delicious, scrumdiddlyumptious. Is it supercalifragilisticexpialidocious?
It is very good. Very good cupcake.
Oh, my camera's on backwards. That's why I had a hard time setting it up. Look. That's why I was like, why is it so messed up? Whoops. Hold on, everybody. Good morning, everyone from All Star Movies Resort. We do check out today, which is really sad. We slept very comfortable last night. These beds definitely got an upgrade when the resort got an upgrade. So they were very comfortable to sleep on. Even the trundle bed here, my mom said she had absolutely no trouble sleeping on that at all. So that was great. But we are packing up now. We are sad to be leaving the All-Star Movies. I'm glad I could bring you guys another resort review video because I know you guys love these ones. If you can, be sure to subscribe, like, comment. It really helps us out so we can continue to bring you these resort review videos. Next weekend, we're actually going to be staying at Caribbean Beach Resort, which is exciting, so stay tuned for that. And until next time, guys, stay magical.